The role of artificial intelligence (AI) in this landscape is nothing short of revolutionary. As our world grapples with the urgency of curbing climate change and transitioning to cleaner energy sources, AI emerges as a game changer in optimizing energy consumption, fostering renewable energy adoption, and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. In this video, we are going to discuss the role of AI in sustainable energy management. Energy efficiency and optimization. At the heart of sustainable energy management lies the pursuit of energy efficiency, and this is precisely where AI thrives. The advancement of AI has paved the way for sophisticated data analytics and optimization algorithms that drive transformative change. One prominent application is the implementation of smart grids. These intelligent systems leverage real-time data to manage energy distribution more efficiently than ever before. Through the power of machine learning algorithms, smart grids can predict energy consumption patterns accurately, facilitating better load balancing and reducing energy wastage significantly. Imagine a future where our cities are equipped with smart grids, capable of analyzing data from thousands of sensors distributed across power lines, substations, and consumer premises. AI processes this wealth of information in real time, identifying areas of high energy demand and automatically adjusting the flow of electricity accordingly. Consequently, energy providers can minimize power outages, enhance energy reliability, and reduce their carbon footprint. But the transformation doesn't stop there. AI-driven energy management systems have tremendous potential for optimizing energy consumption in industries and buildings. By continuously analyzing historical data and learning from new inputs, AI can recommend energy-saving actions tailored to each facility. This could include adjusting temperature settings, optimizing lighting systems, and efficiently managing the usage of energy-intensive equipment. The collective impact of these actions translates to significant cost savings and substantial reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, aligning perfectly with our goals of sustainability. Renewable energy integration. While energy efficiency is undoubtedly vital, the cornerstone of sustainable energy management lies in our transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. However, one of the challenges faced by renewable energy is its intermittency and unpredictability. Solar energy, for instance, is dependent on weather conditions, while wind energy relies on the strength and direction of the wind. This is where AI comes to the rescue. AI-powered forecasting models use historical data, weather patterns, and advanced analytics to predict renewable energy generation accurately. With this valuable insight, grid operators can seamlessly integrate renewable energy into the power grid, balancing supply and demand effectively. AI's forecasting capabilities also enable utilities to plan for potential fluctuations and adjust their backup power sources accordingly. Moreover, AI plays a pivotal role in optimizing the placement and operation of renewable energy infrastructure, such as solar panels and wind turbines. By analyzing geographical and environmental data, the AI identifies optimal location for these installations, maximizing their energy generation potential. In this way, AI ensures that our shift towards renewable energy is not only efficient but also ecologically responsible. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you would get notified when we upload the next video. Energy storage and demand management. We know that energy demand fluctuates throughout the day, with peaks during certain hours and lulls during others. This fluctuation poses a significant challenge for ensuring a stable energy supply, particularly when relying on renewable sources. AI steps in with its predictive modeling and real-time control capabilities, making energy storage a more viable and effective solution. AI-powered algorithms use historical data to forecast energy demand patterns, allowing energy storage systems to be charged during periods of low demand and discharge during peak hours. The result, a balanced energy flow that stabilizes the grid, reduces stress on power plants, and minimizes the need for backup fossil fuel generation. This seamless integration of energy storage into the grid is a crucial aspect of sustainable energy management. Imagine a future where our cities are powered by a combination of renewable energy sources and intelligent energy storage systems, ensuring uninterrupted power supply while minimizing our reliance on fossil fuels. This vision is within reach thanks to the transformative capabilities of AI. Grid maintenance and fault detection. For the power grid to function optimally, regular maintenance and timely fault detection are essential. AI contributes to grid maintenance by revolutionizing how we monitor and manage the grid's infrastructure. Through the use of advanced analytics, AI can detect anomalies and potential equipment failures in real time. By continuously analyzing data from various sensors and components, AI can identify deviations from standard operating conditions and raise alerts before issues escalate. This proactive approach significantly reduces downtime, prevents potential hazards, and ultimately enhances grid reliability. Furthermore, AI enables predictive maintenance strategies, where maintenance activities are scheduled based on the condition of equipment rather than predefined intervals. This data-driven approach minimizes unnecessary maintenance and prolongs the lifespan of critical grid components, thus reducing material waste and lowering the environmental impact of grid maintenance. Electric vehicles and smart charging. The future of transportation lies in the widespread adoption of electric vehicles (EVs). However, with the increasing number of EVs on the road, managing their charging patterns and grid integration becomes a challenge. This is where AI's role in sustainable energy management extends to the realm of transportation. AI-powered smart charging solutions offer a compelling answer by considering factors such as energy demand, grid capacity, and individual user preferences. AI optimizes EV charging patterns to ensure the most efficient use of available energy resources. Smart charging algorithms dynamically adjust charging rates based on real-time grid conditions, preventing grid overloads during peak charging periods. But AI's impact on electric mobility doesn't end there. One of the most exciting possibilities is vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology. In a V2G-enabled future, EVs can do more than just consume electricity. They can also feed excess energy back to the grid. During times of peak demand, EVs connected to the grid can act as temporary energy sources, supplying electricity and balancing the grid load. This bidirectional energy flow not only enhances grid stability but also increases the overall efficiency of renewable energy integration. Demand response. Demand response is a strategic approach that utilizes artificial intelligence (AI) to establish and implement programs aiming to encourage consumers to modify their energy consumption patterns during peak demand periods. As electricity consumption surges during peak hours, energy grids face increased strain, which can lead to inefficiencies and even potential failures. Integrating AI into demand response initiatives offers a promising solution to address these challenges and enhance overall system reliability. AI technology plays a critical role in demand response by analyzing vast amounts of historical data, real-time information, and consumer behavior patterns. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can predict peak demand periods accurately, enabling energy providers to proactively notify consumers and incentivize them to adjust their usage. These incentives can take the form of financial rewards, reduced rates, or other benefits, encouraging consumers to participate actively in load-shifting practices. By adopting demand response programs driven by AI, consumers become active participants in grid management, not merely passive energy users. They gain a sense of empowerment and environmental responsibility, contributing to a more sustainable energy ecosystem. Additionally, this shift in consumer behavior leads to a more evenly distributed energy demand throughout the day, effectively reducing stress on the grid during peak times. Furthermore, dim and response utilizing AI enhances grid stability and resilience. By reducing peak demand, the risk of blackouts or brownouts decreases significantly, safeguarding critical infrastructure and preventing costly interruptions for businesses and households alike. Moreover, a more stable grid ensures that renewable energy sources, which can be intermittent, can be better integrated and utilized effectively without compromising reliability. As we conclude our exploration of the role of AI in sustainable energy management, one thing becomes clear: the potential for transformation is limitless. AI's ability to optimize energy efficiency, integrate renewables, manage energy storage, detect faults, and promote electric mobility represents a paradigm shift in our journey towards a sustainable future. However, it is essential to address the challenges that come with AI implementation. Ensuring data privacy, maintaining cybersecurity, and addressing ethical concerns are vital for the responsible and equitable deployment of AI technologies. Together, we can leverage the power of AI to create a world where energy is used efficiently, sourced sustainably, and the well-being of our planet is prioritized. By investing in cutting-edge technology and nurturing a global commitment to sustainability, we pave the way for a brighter, greener tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread awareness about the transformative role of AI in sustainable energy management. Together, let's build a future we can be proud to pass on to future generations. Until next time.